How's it going, guys? It's Najam back again with another video, and today I'm going to be comparing the original Hive versus the brand new Hive 2, which came out about a year ago now. I think it is 6 months, something like that. So I reviewed this and I unboxed this, and that's a bit of a popular video of mine, but I didn't take a look at this. Now when I got this one, my brother wanted this one, and surprisingly the difference between the quality is huge. But before we get to the quality test, which is the main reason I'm gonna do this video, I'm just gonna show you around the device, just a quick one, so you can see around the device. So let's roll some puns and let's get into it. So we've got a really nice bokeh-licious, really shallow depth of field effect over here. Take a look at the speakers from the front. This one is in gold, obviously, and this one is the cheaper one, which is in silver. Now this one is refurbished, this one is brand new, I think. But yeah, it was. But the thing is, this is less than half the price of this one. Right now this costs £60, something like that, on eBay. This will cost you refurbished £20 or £17 if you're lucky, which is why I got this for my brother, obviously. The difference that you're gonna notice, obviously, is the color combinations that you can get with this one. There are a lot of different ones. This one, there are a lot of different ones, but obviously you can see the difference between these two versions of it. This one is a lot more heavier. It just feels a lot more heavier and more premium than this one, but this is, well, heavy enough, I guess. The thing about this one is that it doesn't use the sound bar as much as this one, and you're gonna notice that when we're doing the sound quality test. Now I'm not gonna go through all sort of different kind of sound qualities, I mean sounds like jazz music, vocals or anything. I'm just gonna put some different type of musics I've got, which are non-copyright, and by the way, they're all from bensound.com. Link is in the description if you want to go check them out. They're really cool, and free music, by the way. that's why I use them. Now the only difference you're gonna see from this is this better sound quality. If you ask me, it's better. And it has the NFC, which I don't really use at all, to be honest. This one is gonna use more bass. It's gonna pump out as much as it can, and it's so bassy. I like it, but it's too bassy sometimes. Too much bass. So if you like the bass, if you like the table bumping all over the place, this is one to go to. Of course, this is one. This one is 20% louder. And the only thing I don't like about this one is that the I/O, the inputs and outputs, they're on the back, as opposed to the first Hive, they're on the side. And also the power button is a little switch. I like that. I don't like this one because you have to hold it down. Of course, they got indicators over here rather than the crappy indicator in there. These ones are much better, but I like the on and off, and the way, you know, the AUX port, much better than this. I have to you know, make sure there's nothing at the back of it. So unless I can get a 90-degree port, well, I guess that's also a bit of a problem, but still gonna be sticking out a little bit. The input is at the back, the input is on the side. Really much better. But other than that, size wise, I guess they're almost identical. You can see they're just this one just a tiny bit you know, shorter from the sides. Anyways, let's get into the sound quality test. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you afterwards. Yeah, well, not afterwards, I won't be here. Goodbye, thank you.